Hey everyone, and welcome back. Are you tired of feeling stuck in the same rank? Do you want to see a real instant improvement in your Mobile Legends gameplay without watching hours of guides? Well, you are in the right place. Today I'm giving you the guide to instantly getting better. These are not complex strategies, they are simple habits you can apply right now to change your game. Let's get into it. Tip 1. Make the minimap your best friend. This is the single most important habit you can develop. It's what separates good players from great ones. You need to constantly be checking your mini map. Don't just glance at it. Actively look at it every few seconds. By doing this, you'll know where the enemy jungler is, see if your teammates are in trouble, and spot ganks before they even happened. This simple action will reduce your deaths, giving you a better sense of when to be aggressive and improve your overall game sense. Make it a habit, clear a minion wave, check the map, get a kill, check the map. Tip 2. Prioritize objectives over kills. Kills are nice, but they don't win games. Objectives do. Too many players get greedy, chase a low health enemy across the map, and end up dying for nothing. A smarter play is to use the advantage you get from a kill to secure an objective. Got a kill in your lane? Push the turret. The enemy jungler is dead? Take the turtle or lord. Kills are a means to an end. And that end is destroying turrets and enemy base. Focus on taking towers, securing the lord, and winning the game, not just boosting your kill count. Tip 3. Stop following the same build every game. This one is a huge game changer. Stop mindlessly following the recommended build. The best player adapt their item builds to counter the enemy team. Is the enemy marksman getting too strong? Build a blade armor. Is the enemy mage doing a ton of damage? It's time for an Athena's shield. Facing a hero with a lot of lifesteal? Get an anti-heal item like Sea Halberd or a necklace of Jurans. Taking just a few seconds to look at what the enemy is building and reacting to it will make you incredibly difficult to deal with and instantly make you a more impactful player. Tip 4. Use your skills wisely, do not spam them. Finally, learn to be patient with your abilities. Don't just spam all your skills the moment a team fight starts. The difference between a good player and a great one is knowing when to hold on to a key skill. If you have a crowd control skill, save it for the enemy's carry. If you have a dash or blink skill, save it as an escape tool. Using your skills at the right moment, either to secure a high priority kill or to get yourself out of a dangerous situation, is what will help you win clutch fights and turn the tide of a game. There you have it. 4 simple, actionable tips that you can start using in your very next game. Focus on these habits and you will see a massive improvement.